Hello, what's up guys? This is my first Thanksgiving video for my 200 subscribers. I love you all so much guys, all my subscribers and viewers who liking, commenting and sharing my videos. Because of you all, I finally hit my first achievement, 200 subs. Thanks for that, and therefore I brought this video for you. So guys, in this video I'm going to reveal my own strategic way to earn more than $500 just in a week. Maybe you already know this thing, maybe not, but I got this idea through my brain and today I'm gonna share it with you guys. So watch the full video, you will not disappoint it. So let's jump onto the topic. So how I earn more than $500 just in 1 week? Simply I can name it as digital product reselling. So what is a digital product? Like a software, a game, a movie or a picture are some examples for that. So in my case I'm interested about games, so I start this career with the game reselling. So if you got any favorite product, you can choose it. So I'm already selected my own, so I'm going to explain this stand on my selection. So in this case, you can buy a game for lower price and sell it to the higher price. That's the basic theory in this case. As an example, you can buy a $15 game and sell it to the $20 or $25. Don't close the video. Yes, I know a lot of viewers, including you and me, not interested in giving up some money to earn some money. Therefore, I decided to make a way to earn more money without spending at all in this model.
Nice.
So if you want to know how to resell without buying anything, stay tuned. Also, if you don't want to invest, so there is no risk at all. So check this out. If you can make it, you got money. If not, you got knowledge, but nothing will lose. So guys, check this out. So let's go to the first step. So the first step is you want to find a game store website to purchase games like Steam, Epic Games, Origin, Ubisoft, GamesGate, something like that. So in this case, I'm highly recommend go with Epic Games because Epic Games give away paid game for free once for every week in a limited time, and that's the best chance to fill up your cart. In my game reselling career, it was started in some golden house. Let me show you my Epic Games purchase history to you, and you will understand why I made it as a golden hour. So let's see. Do you see, I started my game reselling career with the GTA V. So lots of PC gamers missed this chance because Epic Games give away the GTA V Premium Edition for free for a limited time. Right, that is so insane. So I understood the value of this thing and I created 12 new accounts using my PC, my tablet and my 2 phones to purchase GTA 5 Premium Edition in 12 accounts for free. So this whole game reselling thing is like a stock market, but in this thing you don't want to spend or invest your money. Instead, you must spend your time and dedication to find a good game that's free for a limited time and keep your share with you and sell it when the price got a high tide. You see, same as the stock market, you buy a paid game for free, keep it with you. When the offer time is over, you got your chance to put it out to sell. So after finding store and the free premium game, so let's go to the second step. So if you found a game like that, next step is the pricing. So the pricing doing something great role in here, you should think about it. The price should be in a competitive limits. For an example, GTA is selling in the market for $29.99. You cannot price it for $30 or $35. Actually you can, but no one will ever buy it because customers can buy it for lower prices in all marketplaces. Therefore no one going to buy it, right? Also don't price it as $28 or $27 because price isn't competitive so much. Always buyers think twice about the guarantee. Just sell it to $27, but if customer can buy it For $29 in official game site, they always choose the original site, not you, because site will guarantee and you paid this and you own it. So no doubt 100% safe. So if your price is competitive, buyers always coming to you like a river. For an example, in the market price of the Watch Dogs 2 is $42. So if you sell it to the $30, buyers always go for this deal because they see a big difference between the market price and yours. So then you can attract more customers. So the third step is the sharing. This is the most easiest and important step. Simply you can go to the Facebook or Instagram, TikTok to share your big game offer. So simply you can create a Facebook post or Instagram post like this one, and you can share this post in the Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp, Viber, Telegram and whatever place you want. Also you can search best game reselling gaming groups or gaming pages in the Facebook and contact the owners of those groups and pages. If they allowed to post your picture in the groups or page, you can simply attract more customers accurately. If the page or group is public, simply you can post it and you can get more customers for free. So final step is selling account to the buyer. You can buy money before or after the account transaction. You can simply give the account login details, or you can change the username or email address to his or her email address. And you can do it in account section in your game site and add his or her email address to the login section and confirm the verification code which sent to the buyer's email. After all of these things, get the money and give the account details. So that is simple. So how much I earn using this method as a beginner? I earn $507 in one week. Yes, the highest selling game is the GTA V. I sold 9 accounts of that just in 3 days. After that, I sold 11 accounts of Watch Dogs 2 at $31 in 8 days. And there are lots of paid games in my dummy accounts. This is just the beginning. So finally, ask feedback from the customer and add a comment to the post, and it will help to the next customer you are going to dealing with. So just give it a try because nothing will lose. At least you can own some premium games for free, right? So give it a try. So is it hard to maintain more dummy accounts? You can try 1 or 2 if you're so much lazy. So maybe after a couple of weeks you can sell it to someone else and get some extra cash. So however, this is the end of the fastest $500 tutorial. So if you got anything to ask, leave a comment in the comment section. Drop a thumbs up if you like this video. So subscribe to the channel, it will bring you more videos like this. So thank you so much for the 200 subscribers. I love you all and let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep updating. Catch you later.